In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Eisenhower Matrix in Ticktick, a powerful tool that can revolutionize your time management skills. Let's dive in and get you set up. First, you'll want to open the Ticktick app on your device. It couldn't be simpler. If you're using a mobile device, just tap on your avatar. This is usually found at the top of your screen. Once you've tapped, you'll see a list of options where you should select Settings. For those of you on a desktop or a laptop, look for the gear icon. You'll find it in the bottom left corner of your screen, and a quick click will take you directly to the Settings menu. Now that you're in the Settings section, we need to navigate to the tab bar Settings. Here's how you do it. Once in Settings, look for the option labeled Tab Bar and select it. This is where you can customize some of the views you'll use regularly in Ticktick. Next, we need to enable the Eisenhower Matrix. You'll find an option to toggle on the Eisenhower Matrix right there in the tab bar settings. All you have to do is switch it on, and you're all set to benefit from this incredibly useful feature. So, what exactly is the Eisenhower Matrix? Think of it as a method to help you prioritize tasks, splitting them into 4 categories. First, we have Quadrant 1, which represents tasks that are both urgent and important. These are tasks you should do first. Next, there's Quadrant 2, for tasks that are important but not urgent. These should be scheduled into your calendar. Quadrant 3 contains tasks that are urgent but not important, which means they're best delegated if possible. Finally, Quadrant 4 is for tasks that are neither urgent nor important. These are usually distractions and should be eliminated from your task list. Once you've enabled the Eisenhower Matrix, you'll want to access its settings to customize it to your needs. In the Matrix view, tap on the 3 dots located at the top right corner. You'll see an option to Edit Matrix. Select that to start fine-tuning the specifics. Inside the Matrix settings, you can adjust various rules. This might include tweaking criteria for each quadrant, like changing the due dates, altering priority levels, or any other settings that suit your workflow best. Finally, let's talk about filtering tasks. The Eisenhower Matrix allows you to choose which task lists to include or exclude. This means you can narrow down the whole view for a more focused task management setup, allowing you to zero in on what truly matters. And that's it. You've successfully set up the Eisenhower Matrix in Ticktick. With a little practice, you'll be managing your time and prioritizing tasks more efficiently than ever before. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore all the great features Ticktick offers for task management.